Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the American flag and the meaning behind its stars and stripes. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the first official American flag created in 1777? Yes, it was created during the American Revolution in 1777. Did the original flag have 50 stars? No, it had 13 stars arranged in a circle. Do the 13 stripes on the flag represent the first 13 states? Yes, they symbolize the original 13 colonies. Does the color red on the flag represent peace? No, red stands for bravery and valor. Was the national anthem inspired by a battle in the War of 1812? Yes, the sight of the American flag still flying after battle inspired the Star-Spangled Banner. Does the flag change every time a new state joins the United States? Yes, a new star is added for each new state. Was the American flag planted on the moon in 1969? Yes, astronauts placed it on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. Does the blue in the flag represent justice and perseverance? Yes, it symbolizes vigilance, perseverance, and justice. Is the American flag only used in the United States? No, it is displayed around the world, including on U.S. embassies and military bases. Has the American flag remained unchanged since 1777? No. It has changed multiple times as new states join the Union. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.